Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I am going to talk about some species which has been taken from some eminent people in the world. That is, most of them they are scientists. That is Calvin, Bacon, Oliver Wendell, Einstein, Maurice Bucaille এবং Shukraj Tarneja, India. At first, I will talk about the species of Mr. Calvin. He said, if you think profoundly the natural science, it will bound you to establish faith to your Creator. Again, from Bacon, a small knowledge of philosophy can turn you non-believers, but vast knowledge of philosophy can turn you believers. And then Oliver Wendell, if you understand science properly, it will be easy to you to believe your Creator. About the religion, our greatest scientist in the world, Einstein, everybody will salute to him. Science without religion is lame, and religion without science is blind. But two people in the world who have talked about the Quran, they are Dr. Maurice Bucaille and Shukraj Tarneja of India. According to the Maurice Bucaille about the Quran, he said, it is impossible to explain how the Quran could have contained ideas that have only been discovered in modern time. Again, Shukraj Tarneja of the who is the man of India, he said in his speech, the explanation of the Quran stands as the most astonishing surprise to modern time. The speculation of modern physics are drawing close to the theory of physics. That is the same conclusion. Same conclusion has been drawn by the Quran. Now I like to talk about some scientific topic which has been explained by the Holy Quran. That is Big Bang theory. You believe or not? In the Big Bang theory, we know every student in our globe, they know about the Big Bang theory. But in the Quran, Allah says about the Big Bang theory, Surah Anbiya, verse number 30, the heavens and the earth join together and we separate them. Again, our world, our universe has been created in 6 time, Yam. We say it Yam. Yam means time. So, according to the Quran, Surah Hadid, verse number 4, Indeed, your Lord Allah has created the heavens and the earth and what between them in 6 days. Surah Hadid, verse number 4. So, how can we prove that? Our scientists have proved it by some their ideas. That ideas they have explained 6 times, 6 period. That is period number, that is time, Planck time, that is 0 time. Number 2, inflation time. Number 3, annihilation period. Number 4, protons and neutrons period. Number 5, atomic nucleo period, and finally stable atom period. By this 6 time we can prove that our universe has been created by Allah in 6 days. So we can prove that 6 time has been explained by the scientist. Allah also said that 6 times, 6 days. 6 days means not one day is not equal to 24 hours. It has been explained in the Quran. It's a long time. About our sun, Allah says in the Quran, the sun says in the Quran, Surah Yasin, verse number 40, the sun and the moon is in an orbit, is swimming. Again, the same surah, verse number 36, Allah says about the stars, that is, and the suns, that is stars, and the suns towards its stopping point, and the suns towards its stopping points. We do not know where is our sun is traveling, going to travel. They are orbiting its orbit, and it is moving. So we don't know yet. One day our world will come to an end, and it will be destroyed. It has been indicated in the Quran also. Again, about the sky, it has been created 7 layers. Our scientist has proved the string theory, and Allah says in Surah Mulk, verse number 3, who created the 7 heavens in layer. Allah has created the 7 heavens in layers. Now the modern scientists, that is NASA and SETI, they are being investigated live elsewhere in the universe, but they are not finding any alien or any man like our worldly people. But in the Quran, Allah says in Surah Rahman, verse number 10, and the earth he laid for the creatures, and the earth he laid for the creatures. Finally, our world has been expanding. It has been proved by the scientists by the help of the redshift. That is, our world has been expanding by the dark energy. It had been investigated by the redshift. They have proved it that they, according to the scientist Hubble and others, they have proved that our world is continuously expanding. But in the Quran, Allah says, and the heavens we constructed, with strength, and the heavens we constructed with strength, and indeed we are expander. So we can say that if we seek knowledge from the Quran, we will learn a lot. So please study the Quran. It is the food of your mind. In this month Ramadan, please study more and more the Quran. Thank you very much. Please share this video if you believe or not, and please subscribe this channel. Assalamu alaikum once again.